A judge in Lower Manhattan is rejecting Daniel Penny's request to dismiss the charges against him. The Marine veteran facing involuntary manslaughter charges for choking a man to death in a subway car during a confrontation.
An angry crowd gathered at the courthouse this morning to demand that Penny face justice. Eyewitness News reporter Anthony Carlo live in Lower Manhattan with more. Anthony.
Well, Sandra, David, the court decided to deny that motion to dismiss this case. The reason being it found that the evidence presented to the grand jury was legally sufficient to establish Daniel Penny acted recklessly and with criminal negligence. Meanwhile, Jordan Neely's family attorney is looking forward to a trial. Daniel Penny's entrance was uneventful, but as he exited court, he was confronted. "We got a murderer!" "Murderer," protesters shouted as they chased after his vehicle. This video still fresh in their minds. Penny accused of choking Jordan Neely to death on the subway last May. The defense seeking to dismiss the case, citing petrified passengers who testified that Neely was insanely threatening until Penny stepped in. Prosecutors hit Penny with a top charge of manslaughter. The judge declined the motion to dismiss the case today.
His attorneys tried to get the judge to overrule that, to say that what the grand jury said didn't matter. But the judge didn't do that. The judge said Daniel Penny will face these charges.
Neely's family attorney calling the decision a win beside the victim's father outside of Manhattan court. The defense today also requesting additional testing to determine the level of synthetic cannabinoids in Neely's blood.
Whether or not he had marijuana in his system, it doesn't make a difference. He was killed for no reason.
Penny is accused of placing Neely in a chokehold for approximately 6 minutes and continuing well after Neely had stopped moving. Witnesses vary in their accounts. Several passengers testified they were in fear as Neely broke into a sickening rant and made lunging movements. But other witnesses don't describe the same picture of panic before the chokehold. The case sparking political and racial tensions and controversy around vigilantism. But most importantly right now to Neely's attorney, the case is moving forward.
It's a win for Jordan's family. It's a win for the people who stood on that subway platform and stopped the trains from moving.
And the next court date is set right now for March 20th with a trial expected tentatively this coming fall. We did reach out to Daniel Penny's attorneys for a response on the court's decision. They say they do not agree with the court's decision to not dismiss this case or, throw out this indictment, but they are confident that a jury will find that Daniel Penny acted with other people's safety in mind and chose to protect other people.